Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud from your Windows PC completely and safely. Whether you're switching software or just doing a cleanup, I've got you covered. To uninstall Creative Cloud, Adobe recommends using their official uninstaller tool. Let's go grab that. Open your browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud Uninstaller tool, or you can go directly to Adobe's help site. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once on the page, scroll down and click on Download under the Windows section. Now go to your Downloads folder and locate the zip file. Right-click on it and select Extract Files, then click OK. This will create a folder with the same name. Open the extracted folder and double-click on the file named creativeclouduninstaller.exe. When the uninstaller opens, just click Uninstall. Confirm any pop-ups and wait a few minutes while the tool removes Creative Cloud from your system. The process may take a few minutes, depending on your system. Sit tight and let the tool do its work. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Adobe Creative Cloud from your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you ran into any issues. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.